Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon. Can we wait for a minute? Then let others join. We'll just give a minute of time.
Yes, sir, sure.
Oh yes, good afternoon, Pawan. Oh, good afternoon, Annie. Good afternoon, Debbie. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Sachin. Faraz. Good afternoon, Amrachi. Good afternoon, Christy. Yeah, good afternoon, Vivek. Good afternoon, Anjani. Okay, so shall we start? Okay, so I'm just sharing the question paper, whatever you have done, what are the questions would be there. So let's work on that. Okay, this is your previous year questions. Yeah, that's fine. We hope they would join. Okay, so we will solve it over here itself. I just hope you're able to see it. Okay, so can you see when I'm writing? Can you see when I'm writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's fine. So this is a PDF file. I'll write it over here. I don't let us solve it over here itself. Is a question paper is visible? So I'm just making it bigger. I hope. Yeah. Okay. So they've given with the key. I think it's fine. So we take up your drawing. Okay, fine. So the ratio of the number of sides of two regular polygon is 1:2. Number of sides. If each interior angle of the first polygon is 120 and the measure of each interior angle of second polygon is. Okay. So what is called as interior angle? First one, what is called as the interior angle? What's called as the interior angle? Okay. So look, if I have a shape, for example, let me take a square or let me take a polygon. So let me say that I have an angle over here. Okay. And this becomes the exterior angle. This is the interior angle and this is the exterior angle. Are you getting it? Or if I have a line, so this, let me say a linear line of 180. So when I take an angle over here, the shape is in this side. Let's say the shape is like this, then this is interior and this would become the exterior. Are you clear with that? Yes, correct. All the angles inside the figure interior. Okay, so the ratio of the number of two polygons are 1:2, number of sides. So let us say it is 1:2. So if each interior angle of the first polygon is 120. So let's say that 3 sides and 6 sides, or 2 sides and 4 sides. It would not make a polygon, but still, let's make it with a triangle and a hexagon. Okay, so let's say I have 3 sides. Adding them, I need, it's given that the first polygon is 120. The interior angle is going to be 120. So in that case, 3 sides, when I add, I would be getting 180. So that, let it be. Next one. So when I take with the second polygon, I have with the 6 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then each side would be how many angle? That is what the question. Okay, so one of its side, if each interior angle is 120, what would be there for the other one? Are you getting the question? Okay, yes. Anyone can explain me? Either Pawan or Basit? Pawan or Basit? Am I audible to you, Pawan or Basit? Am I audible? Am I audible? Yeah, fine. Yes. Can you tell me how do you get the answer? Whatever it is, the way you have solved and whatever the answer you have got. If you're matching up with the keys, then I would just put it up in the other board. I think if you're seeing the key and doing it. Just tell me whatever the answer you've got and how do you get it. First, Pawan. Yes. Can you tell me how do you get with 150? Can you tell me how do you get with 150? Make it fast. I'll just cut down the answer keys so that you might be able to. No one? I don't know where did you get it. Okay, it's fine. Okay, so I hope the screen is visible. I'm just sharing a picture. I hope you're able to see it. So for each side, when I take up a triangle, each side of a triangle will be 60 degree. Okay. Okay, the first side is 120. Yes, Basil. So you make 360 divided by 180 minus 120. So you get with the number of sides. Okay. Okay. So for the first one, okay. So there are 12 sides, then 12 minus 10, 180 divided by into 180 divided by 12. Okay, fine. So in this, yeah, the same. So here in the triangle, we have three sides. So three sides together, you would be getting at 180 degree. Okay, so a side would be 360 degree. Sorry, 60 degree. And quadrilateral together would be 360 degree. Okay, so when I take with this, multiply by 5, 108, 5, 8, 40. So 40, so 540. Okay, so next, so this would be into 6, 720. So now can I call this as 9 times 20? This is 9 times 40. This is 9 times 60. This is 9 times 80. Okay.
هندسه اونلاين يسمع قاعد دروس بد زوم قاعد يفتح الميكروفون يتكلم ويسمع لنا كل الريال.
Who have joined? Okay. So like that, when I go on, if I say for 7, it is said to be 128.57, it's fine. So this, whatever your formula you have used now on, so this is a shortcut for you to remember. So how to get with these, okay? So 9 times 2, 9 times 4, 9 times 7, and then 9 times 8. Okay, so I'll get 720. Now I'll divide it by 6 sides. So I'm getting it with 120. Okay, so the same thing. Let's try for let's say 8. Next one would be 10. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Next is 10. That means it's 900. I hope. Yeah. So 900. So 9 times, let's try that the shortcut works out or not. So 9 times 100. So 900. So 900 divided by 7. 900 divided by 7. Does it give you 128.57142.857? That's what the value would be. Does it give you? Check it. What is 900 by 7? Does it give you 128.57? Is it giving you? I'm just giving you the shortcut. In spite of doing with the formulas, just to take up the shortcut. Multiply it into 20. So 9 times 20 is 180. So 3 sides of a triangle. So 180 divided by 3. Each side is 60. Did you understand? If anyone can on your mic and say yes, that would be great. Are you getting this shortcut?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Anybody not understood? Just please do either raise your hand or just tell me. I'll
Sir,
explain it.
please repeat this shortcut again.
Sure. Sure. See, I'll just put it down. Yes, Annie. Okay. Able to see the picture?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, triangle adding 3 sides, what you should get. In a triangle adding 3 sides, what you should get. Triangle adding 3 sides, what you should get.
180 degree.
Good. So on a quadrilateral adding 4 sides, what you should get.
360.
360 degree.
Good. Good. So the next one, it would be 540.
40.
Now, what is the logic behind this? Is 90 degree, that is a right triangle, multiplying it into 2, so that gives me 180. Okay. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So next one, when I take 360 degree, multiplying 90 times what will give me 360 degree?
4, sir.
Good. Either I'll take it as 9 times 20 or 90 times 2. So 90 times will be better for you to understand right angle. Okay. Or as I did on over here, 9 times 20, 9 times 40, this is also fine. Or you can take it as 90 times 4, that is also fine. So 90 times 4, 360 divided by 4, 360 divided by 4, each side is 90. Now 540. So total we know it is 5 sides. So what 3, 4, 5, 6 sides we go on. So when it comes for 5 sides, 90 times 6. So can you see it is in the even number sequence? 2, 4, 6. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
So what would be for the next one? 90 times?
8. 8, sir.
Yes. What is 90 times 8?
720.
Good. So now check it. 720 divided by 6. Are you getting 120? Check it.
Yes, sir.
That's all done. Understood the shortcut?
Oh, yeah. Right, sir.
Now just check it will work even for 7 or not. So 190 times 10, 900. So 900 divided by 7. Does it give you this what value they have given? 128.57. Are you getting that value?
Yes, sir.
Okay, understood the shortcut, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now when it comes for 12, how many times should I multiply with 90?
12, sir.
Sir, you are muted.
Yeah. So for 3, I'm multiplying 2. Next is quadrilateral. This is 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 12. Next 14, 16, 18. When it comes for 12, how many times am I gonna multiply?
20.
14,
20.
sir.
20 or 14?
20.
Oh, so
20.
20.
20. So 90 times 20, how much do you get?
Sir, 1800.
Good. So this is without doing with your formulas. So 1800 divided by 12. Check. Do you get 150?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
That's
sir.
all. Okay. Are you getting it? How to do it?
Yes,
See,
sir.
always, I don't think so. Either you can remember the formula always, but the logic will work anyway. Okay. I hope you're able to understand the logic behind this question. Yes or no?
Yes, of course, sir.
Okay, good. So now I'm just giving you that question. I hope you're able to see the question. So it is given here that the ratio of the polygons are 1:2. If I say there are 3 sides or 6 sides, 6 sides or 12 sides, 4 sides or 8 sides. So they have given one thing as a clue that each interior angle makes a polygon of 120. If I say angle is 120, then for sure it is a 6 sides image. Okay, so when it is a 6 sides image, 2 times of it will be a 12 times image. 1, 2, 3, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It makes on. Okay, somehow the polygon of 12. So this is of 6. This makes each angle as 120. So it is given here. The first polygon is 120. Then what would be for 12? 90 times. This is 90 times 8. Yes, this is 90 times 8. When I say 12, it will be 90 times 20. So divided by 12. So for this, I'm getting a 120. It's already given in the question. So in that case, for 20, that is for 12, 90 for 12 sides picture, that will be 150. So that is 1800 divided by 12. Okay. Are you clear with that? Are you getting it?
Yes.
Okay, done. So next one. If 0, that is O, is the center of a circle. No. Okay. Let me take up a circle. Yeah. I hope you're able to see the circle. If O is the center of the circle, AC, BD or 2 chords. Have you done these topics before? Have you done these topics before? Is it yes or no? Have you done these topics before? Yes or no?
No.
No. Okay. I'll just show you what is a chord. Okay. These kind of questions would be these things. See, when you say geometry question, always you would be able to do it with some logics. Okay. I'm just showing you some pictures related to chord. Okay, meanwhile, I'm just clearing this board. Can you see this? Just for you to understand what is called as a chord. Are you able to understand with the picture? Can you see the pictures? Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Fine. So now in this, let us take any of these pictures. Okay. Just scrolling. Oh, yeah. Okay. Set over here. Fine. So in this, O is the center of the circle. AC and BD are the 2 chords of the circle intersecting each other at P. So these are the 2 chords of the circle intersecting at P. So now AOB makes 15 degree. So I can take up any kind of these kind of pictures for you to understand. So when I take AOB, it is making an angle. And next, when I take with APB, it makes with 30 degree. So APB is making with 30 degree. Okay. So now how would you draw the circle? So you have the center one as O, so that they have given it. The center of the picture would be O. And what would be on the other sides? So where can you draw P? They have given A, C, and BD are intersecting at P. So the center point is O. Now AC and BD are two chords intersecting each other at P. AC and BD are two chords intersecting at P. Just whatever the circle you have made. Just try. Could you please mute yourself, Dilipsha, or someone?
Hello.
Yes.
You can draw.
I'm sorry. I've just muted all once. So you can now on your mic. I think Ocha was unmuted. Can you please mute? Unmute? Yeah. Okay.
I was saying
Yeah.
you can draw one chord on top of O,
Okay.
and then the other one on the right side of O.
Okay.
And then where they intersect, that's P.
Okay. So can we make it like this?
No, not like that, sir.
Okay.
A straight line on top of O.
Straight line on top of O like this or like this.
Yes, the second one.
Okay. Horizontal line.
That-
Okay. Next.
That's the first chord. And then a vertical one on the right side of O, not through the radius.
Okay.
The center, not
Either
through the
like
center.
this
No, sir.
or like this.
I guess that could also work, but what I mean is just straight through.
Like this. Straight.
Yes, just
Okay.
something like that, sir.
Okay, good. That's fine. Anybody else? Any other answer? Good, Ocha. So AC and BD are two chords of the circle intersecting each other at P. So I can even draw like this. Okay, somewhere they're intersecting. They're intersecting at P. So what is called as intersecting? This is one, right?
Intersecting means they cut each other. They meet
Good.
somewhere.
Good. So I have AC and BD. So let me take this as AC and let us take this as BD. Okay. Any other picture or any other ways anybody have drawn, or does this work? And it is given for AOB. So talking about AOB, they have an angle. So at this place, it's 15. Okay. Next on APB. So that makes an angle of 30. Now, then COD is equal to what? Then COD will be equal to what? COD will be equal to what? Are you getting it? Are you getting it? Yes or no? Okay. So, and more closer image is, I'm just dragging it below. So it's given that AOB will be just only 15 degree. Okay. So when I say it is a 15-degree circle, so let me take this AOB. This is the point. So I'm taking with A, this is the point, and C, let's have this as a point. So in these both, it makes AOB is a short one. It just makes only 15 degree. This is B. So for sure, the line crosses like this. It goes P over here. Now APB is given. So AOB can make a triangle APB also can make a triangle, right? Next, I can have APB as 30 degree. Now COD, since the O is over here, COD, so that is BD, this is B. So this BOD is also making a triangle, sorry, COD. At the same time, CPD also can make, but what we want only these three data. If this is 15, what would be on the other two sides? Let's have like this, a line crossing on. If this is 15, what will be on the other two sides? What is the missing out? 180 minus 15, how much do you get? So what is the missing side? If this is 15, how much is missing? Are you getting it? Yes or no? If this is 15 degree, let me take as a triangle. Okay, it's given on the angle over here. Any of the triangle, all the three sides would be what angle? If this is 15 degree, how many angles are balanced? If I take it as a triangle, if that is 15 degree, how many is remaining? Preeti?
165.
Yes, 165 would be remaining. So that could be partitioned among them. Okay, so when you take APB, that is 30 degree, then how much is remaining? Good. 150 is remaining. Now they have given a clue that AOB is 15, APB is 30. Okay, so APB is making 30. That means, so that is, we can look at it, it is 15 and the same center line. When you are taking with the interacting point, it makes 30. It has been doubled. Can I say it is doubled? Yes. So 15 degree I have. So when I take with AOB and when I'm taking with the COD. So when I take COD, what would be the angle? When I take AOB, it is given 15. When I take COD, what would be the angle? COD. When I take COD over there, what could be the angle possible? Can you find out that? Is it possible? Is that possible? Yes or no?
I don't think so, sir.
Yeah. So now what is a possible one for us to find? The next set information we have with ACB, and I can make. So this is just for you to know what is whenever you have a circle, whenever you have these kind of questions, it is intersecting in between. Let us say A to C, a line crosses from A to C and a line crosses from B to D. So B to D and A to C. And when you're taking with the angle of AOC, sorry, AOB, this will be twice than that of ACB. Understood? Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so AOB, will be twice than that. So sorry, ACB is twice than that of AOB. This is gonna be 2 times. Okay, if this is 15, then I can say that this is gonna be 30. Are you clear with the equation? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one, when you talk about COD, let us say that COD. When I take with COD, what would be 2 times of it? When I take COD, what will be 2 times of it? When I take COD, what will be 2 times of it?
60.
Okay, so it's 60 or whatever it is, because we don't have the angle over here. Which angle is going to be twice? When I say AOB, then ACB is twice than that. Understood that? When I say angle AOB, it is twice of angle ACB. Understood that?
Sir,
Yeah. So when I say
Is this-
COD, what will be twice than that? Which side will be twice than that? Which side will be twice
CBD?
than that? CBD. Yeah, fine. CBD or DCB? Sorry, CBD or DBC, any side. Okay, so when the center, that is the angle B would be the twice. Okay, that is opposite side of it. I hope you're able to get that. Opposite side of it. Okay, so yes, either CBD or DBC. Okay, that would be twice than that. The angles B would be twice than that. Are you clear with that? Are you clear with that?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, now with the next one for you to do it is, we have the values of, in this chord question, this is the same, this logic is what you're going to use it over here. So I have AO, I'm taking the center as O, so AOB angle plus, I'm taking on the other side COD, so we know that it's getting doubled on the sides of angle ACB, or I'm taking with angle of DBC. Okay, so this would be twice of it. So now in this case, what are the datas do we have already? What are the datas do we have already? So we have AOB is 15 degree. Do we have it? AOB is 15 degree. Do we have it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So plus, do we have it for COD? No,
No, sir.
no. So now let us take with what else the angle do we have? So ACB I have. So this one COD we don't have. So now I have with, let's say ACB, and next one is DBC or CBD. Okay, so can I say that these both are equal? It's both joining with B, right? So ACB, or I'm taking with this DCB. So I have a common
Sir.
point as B, right? Okay, so when I take this, the joining point over here with B, over here, this one, and I'll draw a different color. For this, let it be ACB in red color. Okay, in these 2 points, when I add them both, that would be equal to this location, this angle. Okay, so ACB, this as a statement, you can write it everywhere, it is same. The same thing you can follow it with the other questions also. So ACB, angle ACB plus angle DBC, when I add them both, ACB plus DBC, I will be getting, which is on the interaction point. So that is 2 times of, going to be with the interaction point A, P, and B. A, P, and B. Did you get it? Okay. ACB, and the other side is DBC, when I add them both, I'm just drawing the dotted lines on the side so that to understand. So DBC, when I add them both, I have an intersection point over there. So that intersection point would be equal to that. Are you clear with that? Okay, so already we know that it is intersecting over here at the point of P. So this would be equal to this. When I add these both, ACB plus DBC, that will be equal to APB. Okay, so three things you have to remember. So that is AOB will be twice than that of, ACB is twice than that of AOB, and next DBC is twice than that of COD. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Next one, ACB plus DBC is equal to angle of APB. Are you clear with that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now for APB, do we have a value? Yes. So what is APB? APB is given as 30. Okay, so APB is given as 30. So and AOB, we know that it is 15 degree, and this both together we know it is 30 degree. So what we would do was just by taking them to the other side, I would be able to find the angle. I'll tell you the shortcuts from the option, but still just to solve it. So 15 plus angle of COD, we don't know, that is equal to 2 times of angle of APB, that is going to be 30 degree. So that's going to be 30 degree. So this is equal to 60 degree. So that angle of COD would be 60 minus 15, that is 45 degree. Are you getting it? Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Only these statements, yes, you have to remember. There's no other go. Okay, these are the fixed things where you have to know what. Okay, so very simple in a way to remember is when I have a center point, let's say in the circle, I have the center point, I have the intersection point. So this triangle will be always twice than that of this. Okay, so why do we want to know about this 180 degree related to the triangle? So the value should be less than that. Okay, now let me take COD. COD is exactly behind this. So we cannot say that they are parallel lines. Is it? So here we know that when I take with we have to find with COD. COD is not parallel to AOB, right? So this angle would not be, I cannot say it would be equal. We cannot determine that this could be equal. Okay, so that is why we need to find this region. This one we cannot say will be equal to 15. So we know that, as we know that these two sides, I'm just drawing as a triangles for you to better understand. Okay, so I have with the center point, I can make even with COB, I can make with COD. So now for the question, we have a COD alone. So AOB plus COD will be equal to the ACB. Okay, ACB. Next, the same time, it will be CBD or DBC. It will be COD will be 2 times equal to DBC. So in this, adding up these two angles, so that is ACB, let's say ACB and DBC, these both when I add, that would be equal to this angle on the intersection point. So what is the intersection point? I have as APB. Okay, or on the other side. So I have APB is 30 degree. So this angle would be equal. The intersection points would be connecting there. They would be equal. So this is 30. So now what will be on the other side? This is also going to be 30. How is that possible to say? Yes, when I'm intersecting over here, if this is 30, opposite side will also be 30. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
What would be the remaining two sides? So total, when I say 4 sides, when I add, I should get 360. Okay, 4 angles, when I add, I should get 360. So 2 sides are given 30 and 30. If I subtract, I'm getting 300. That means each side will be 150 and 150. Okay, so I know that this is also 30. Then this angle, for sure, it is not going to be smaller than 15. Okay, this is the only clue you have to eliminate from the options. Are you getting it? Are you
Yes,
getting
sir.
it? Yeah. So it is not going to be smaller than 30. So I'm going to eliminate of 15 or 30. So below 15, I don't have anything. So for example, if this is AOB and this is COD, by the picture visualization itself, it is clear that it is not going to be closer to 15. And again, when I take with APB as 30, it's not going to be closer to 30. So smaller values than 30, I will eliminate it. So I have only 2 options. Out of this, I'm going to figure out one. Okay. Next logic over here, any of the questions is, I have this as 15, I have this as 30. That means they can make a right angle somewhere, or when I say that one is 15, I'm able to sort out the remaining 2 sides out of 165 divided by 2. If this is 15, this is going to be half of it. When I say this is 30, the remaining is 150. So 75, 75 on both the sides, or here 33.5, 33.5 on both the sides. So what happens? This already we know it is in 3 times table, so that the answer could also be close enough to 3 times table. Understood that? I have 15, I have this 30, then the parallel side of it is going to be the parallel side of it. It's just going to expansion of it 1.5 times. This is going to be 1.5 times of ABB. Sorry, AOB. AOB's 1.5 times is going to be COD. Okay, so this is another shortcut for you to understand. Since everything is 15, 30, if I have some other value like 48, then yes, we have to calculate. You don't have any other go. 48 or 57, then you will not be able to say that it will be divisible by 3 times table. Okay, since I have already the angles in 3 times table, then yes, this also can be there. This is just a shortcut for you to know. Without solving, in case you're in a hurry and you don't know how to solve it, then you can do these things. Are you clear with that? Are you clear with that? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you done time and work? Have you learned time and work?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'll give you some ratio questions and then I'll give you with time and work. So can I clear the board? Can I clear the board?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you see the question? Just start with this. So 2:7. What will be the duplicate ratio of 2:7? That means what would be the proportion of 2:7? So if I divide, again, I have to get 2:7. Whatever the numbers you use to divide it, again, you should get 2:7.
So number 3, 4:14.
Yes, that's all done. Questions are very simple. These all are your previous year questions. Questions are very simple. Do not worry at all. It's just a matter of your speed and understanding of the topic. Okay. So I'm just giving you the second question. Any doubts with 2:7?
No,
Okay.
sir.
Next question. A is to B is 2:3, B is to C is 5:7, C is to D is 3:10. What will be A is to D? Have you solved these kind of questions?
1:5.
Good. Okay. Any other answer? Or anyone not aware of it?
1:7.
1:7. Okay. See how to solve these questions are just factorizations only. I have AB. Again, I have BC. BC is 5:7. I have CD. That is 3:10. Okay, C and D. So this is the ratio. So let's say that I'm comparing myself with Ashu, and then I'm comparing myself with Induni. So comparison with me, I'm the common person to compare with Ashu or Induni. But what happens? My ratio, my proportion is not same. So for example, let's say that I have, let's say I have 10 chocolates and Ashu has 15 and Indani has 20. Okay, comparing between me and Ashu, the ratio will be 3:2. But comparing with me and Indani, the ratio becomes 1:2. Are you clear with that? It's both the comparison with me, but I compare myself individually with two different people. My ratio is not common. Are you getting that?
Yes.
Any doubt with this equation, Rita?
No, sir.
Okay. Can I proceed with the question?
Yes,
Yeah.
proceed.
If you want, anybody else want me to repeat, I'll repeat, or we'll proceed with the question. Okay. So now here, what is the common point among them? It is B and C. So here the first case, B is not common and C is not common. So let me make it common. So I have to multiply this into 3. It becomes 21. This to be multiplied into 7. Then there are other ratios also to be multiplied into same number. Multiply into 3, multiply into 3. This becomes 15. This is 21, and this is 70. 70 times 21 times, I'm getting this as 15. So then this should be multiplied into 5 so that B also becomes 15 on both the cases, and A will be multiplied by 5, that is 10. Then 1:7 is what correct? Okay, so I'm comparing between A and D. So when I say I'm comparing between A and D, so that is 10:70. So in the common ratio, it becomes 1:7. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall we go with the next? Okay, next one. How many numbers are there? I'm just clearing the board. How many numbers are there in between? How many numbers are there between 99 and 1000 such that the digit 8 occupies the unit place? Only unit place. I hope you
Excuse
understand
me,
what it
sir.
means. Yes, please.
Sir, question 5, answer should be 1.
For which one?
Question 5.
That the ratio question, 2:3.
What will be the duplicate ratio of?
Yeah, that will be
What?
3. That is 4:14. Dividing it by 2. So 4:14. If I divide by 2, I'll be getting 2:7. It's 4:14. So that's a proportional 8. So leave what the key is given over there. Okay. It's 4:14, not 1. Are getting it in the knee?
Okay, sir, I understood. Okay.
Got it, right? Fine. So what they have done is it's a squared one. So 4:49 is a squared one. So here they're asking the proportional 8. That is what is a duplicate. 1:2 or 2:4. Okay. Fine. So in this, so 99 to 1000, how many numbers are there with the unit digit as 8? Very simple question.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Abbas. Yes, Abbas.
Please, can you repeat the last question?
Wait. Yeah, sure. Just check. Is this the question? This question?
Yes.
Okay. See, I have to equate the factors. Okay. So if it is A is to B, and next B is to C, and again comparison between C is to D. A and B compared, that is 2 is to 3. B and C compared, that is 5 is to 7. C is to D compared, that is 3 is to 10. So is that the C values are common? Preeti, please do mute yourself. Preeti Subha. Okay, so here C's values are common? No. B values are common? No. We have to make it common. Getting it, Abbas? So that what is 7 and 3 factors having with the same multiple? So that will be 21. So multiplying 7 times 3 is 21. So if I multiply 7 times 3, I have to do the same thing for 5 times 3 also. Okay, if I multiply this 3 times 7, I have to multiply this 10 also times 7. Are you getting it? So this is 70, this is 21, and 3 times 5 is 15. So can I multiply the same with B and make it 15? Yes, I can multiply with 5. That becomes 15. So B value is sorted 15. Then A value should be multiplied with 5. So that is 10. So they're asking what is the ratio between A and D. So A and D is 10 is to 70, or in short, I can call it as 1 is to 7. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, great, fine. So now the 99 to 1000, what are the digits occupying the unit digit as 8? $99 times 1000, sorry, 99 to 1000. So what are the digits occupying 8 in the unit place? So from 108, I can say 108 is 1. Again, 110 to 22, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They have need only with the unit place. So 10 times what? So 108 unit place is 18, 118, 128, 138, 148, 158, 168, 178, 188, 198. How many 8s are there in the unit place? From 100 to 200.
11.
11?
10.
10. Okay. Then like this, from 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800 to 900, 900 to 1000. So total there are 8 more. Okay. 100 to 200, 200 to 300, 300 to 400, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10. So total, including with this, there are 9 such kind of hundreds. So each and everything ending with the unit digit 8s are going to be 10. So what is the total number?
90.
That's all done. Okay.
Please
Simple
come
question.
again. Please.
So what is called as unit place? Rita, what is called as unit place? What is called as unit place? Yes.
First number from the right.
Yeah, first number from the right. So the first digit is called as from the right is called as our unit place, ones place. So over there, there should be 8. That's the question. So like that, from the number 99 to in between 99 to 1000, how many numbers are having unit place as 8? So for each 100 numbers, there are 10 numbers like that having unit place as 8. Are you clear with that?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so 100 to 200, 200 to 300 like this, total 900s are there. So in that, each and every time when 8 comes in the unit place like that, 90s can be there. 90 numbers can have unit digit as 8. Okay.
Sir, repeat again.
From 100 to 200 in unit place, eights, there are 10 numbers. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So it's 10 times 10, 100.
Yeah, 10. So they want only from 99 to 1000. They don't want it from 1. So from 99 to 1000, there are total how many numbers? 901 number. Okay, between 9 and for every 100 numbers, there are 10. Then for 900 numbers, there are 90. That's all. For every 100 numbers, a set, the 8 comes in the unit digit. Any number, 8 or 7 or 6 particular numbers, it makes at the unit digit is 10. Then how many numbers making unit digit for 99 to 1000 in between them? Are you clear? So total 900 numbers mean 90 times unit digit will have with 8.
Sir, I have a question
Yes, please.
from geometry, sir.
Yes, Dilip. Dilip.
Sir, question in the chat.
Okay. To length of the tangent. Shall you do it after this one question? I'll just check it out. Is that okay?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
That-
Just a minute. I'll just give you one question and then I'll get into that. Okay. So let's take how many fives are there in between 1 to 100? Okay.
Ten, sir.
10?
10, 5. Yes.
No. Recheck. Yes, Shifra.
20.
20 or 21 or 10. 10 for sure, no.
19.
19.
The 20.
Is it 20 or 21? You can decide among yourselves. Is it 20 or 21? Recheck it.
25, 35, 45, 45, 65, 75, 85, 95. එතනම තියෙනවා නගයක්. හරිද? ඊට පස්සේ 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55,
I think 19.
75,
19. Okay. So 5, 15, 25, 35, 45,
11.
50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Again, I'll write this 55 because 2 5s are there, right? So I counted again 55. Okay, so 56, 57, 58, 59, and then 65, 75, 85,
Is
95.
paha, pahalava, visi paha, tis
So
paha,
1,
hatalis
2,
paha,
3, 4, 5,
panaha,
6,
panas paha,
7, 8, 9,
hata
10,
paha,
11,
hatta
12,
paha, asu
13,
paha,
15,
anu
15,
paha.
16, 17, 18,
එක්තැනම තියෙනවා 11.
19, 20.
51, 52, 53, 54, 56, 50.
It's from 1 to
7,
100, right? So it
58,
is
59.
20.
1, 2, 3, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
You clear with that? Are you clear with that? It's
Yes, sir.
20 or 21 or 19. How much is
Yes,
it?
sir.
20 or 21 or 19?
20.
19.
How do you get 19?
19.
For 55, you have two fives.
20.
20.
Oh,
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
20.
7, 8, 9, 10. And 55, I'm going to count it 2 times because I have 2 times 5s, right? So 55, 10, 11, 12. So I'm counting it 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 55 is counted twice because 5 is there for 2 times. It's about how many 5s. It's not about how many numbers with 5s.
Okay.
okay, sir.
Okay. So Bibha, it is about how many 5s are there. Number from 1 to 100. And it can be 5s. It said as just 5s. So it can be in the unit place or tens place, anything. The same questions you might get it in a difficult way, that is from 101 to 200 or 90 to 200. So like that you might get. So over there 150, 151, 152, all those things should be counted. Are you getting it? Okay, now we'll come to the question what our friend had. So about the tangent line. Okay. So two tangent included angle 60 are drawn to a circle with a radius of 3. Find the length. Okay. So let's take the circle. I'm having this as a center point. So the radius is 3. Okay, radius is 3. So two lines are drawn. Two tangent lines are drawn. 1 and 2. So this distance is 3. Connecting point is 3. Okay, I'll just draw it. Okay, this is 3. And this is 3. Okay, so when I know this is surely 3 and this is given as 60, this end is given as connecting point is 60. So let me have half of it. So then this is 30 and this side will also be 30. So both the sides are going to be equal. Okay, if this is 30, what would be the remaining two sides? You getting it?
150. 50.
Yeah, so I'm just redrawing it for clarity. So 1, I need 60. So the line will be much more stressed. Okay, so the radius is 3, that we know what. 3, 3. So connecting line is 60, including an angle of 60. So this is 30. So here both the sides would make up with, for sure, 150 together. Same thing on the other side. Okay, if this is 60, then what happens? this one will also be 60. If this is 60, the remaining two sides, if I'm joining like this, okay, then this side would be 60, just for an understanding of triangle. Since its joining point is here, this is 60, this is 60, and this point is also 60. So if I take them as 50%, then that is 30 over there, 30 over there. Then I can say that this angle is more than 60. Is it yes or no?
Sir, how is it 60, sir?
No, I'm not giving 60. It should be more than 60, plus 60. Okay, since if this end is 60, okay, if I'm making with the connecting points over here as a triangle, then these two sides should be 60, but here the extended lines are there. So it is joining circle is over here. So what happened then, this end should be more than 60 and this also should be more than 60. And I'm taking a half of the triangle. Then what happens? This is 30 and this is more than 60 and this should be less than 60, also less than 90. Are you clear with that? This is 60 plus and this would be less. Are you getting it? Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Together adding up, yes, I should get 150, but it should be on one side, it is more than 60, we are very sure. Okay. And in this, next one is taking up with the points. If that is 60, how would you make up with the remaining two sides? I'll just try to show without formulas. Let's try. Just a minute. Okay. So 30, 30. So this one, do you have trigonometry? Is it yes or no? Do you have trigonometry?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Little bit.
No, we have geometry.
I don't think so. We have trigonometry.
I don't think so.
We have
This question
cubic.
to concentrate much. I'm just giving you an overall because this doesn't include with trigonometry and this is very big. Don't make it complex. Okay, just for your understanding, I'll tell you how to answer it with option because this one we need angle on the side. Okay, so in a tangent, when I say this is just for an understanding to sort out from the option, when I say this is more than 60, these ends always are in 90 degree. Okay, these ends are always in the 90 degree. So if it is like this, I'm connecting like this. So if I say this is 60, the remaining two sides for a triangle, if it is like total, it should make 360. So what happens? This is gonna be 90 and this also gonna be 90. Okay, so now I'm breaking up into triangle. So if this is 30 and this is 90, so how much it makes? 120, and what will be here? If this is 30 and this is always 90, okay, for you to understand as a clue, it should be more than 60. So this should be always 90. If this is 90 and this is 30, so 120, how much would be over here? 180 minus 120, how much?
60.
60, sir.
That's fine. So when I'm taking a quadrilateral, now let us do this as a quadrilateral. This as a kite. I hope you know what is called kite. You can use these methods and go on very much far better because you cannot at the last moment again do not get into trigonometry. It's too big. Okay. So if I say this is 3, this is 3, then these both the sides should be equal. Is it yes or no? Okay. These two sides should be equal. When I say this is 60, this is always fixed as 90, 90. Okay. Just for an understanding, easy to understand the question, 180 plus 60, 240, then the remaining this side will be 120. Yes. So when I'm breaking this, then this is 30, that is 90, and this is 30. That's all. Now tell me that this length, so he wants to know this length, will it be bigger or smaller than 3? Will it be bigger or smaller than 3? The question mark
Bigger,
side
I
will,
guess.
yeah, it should be bigger than 3. Always this side is going to be bigger than 3 because the radius is already 3. This should be bigger than 3. So whichever is your option, based on that, you can sort out. The next case is this. I'm taking up with the angle only this part. So since I know this is a 90 degree, it's easy to sort out. Okay, this is 60 and this is 30. So when I have like this, it's a right triangle. Okay, having 90 degree over here, and this is on the top, it is going to be 60 and this is going to be 30. In that case, we have the length for this. This is 3. Am I right? Yes. I want to find the bigger side. This is the question mark. So for this, since it is 2 tangents, I'm using with tangent. I want to find this side. Okay, that is, what is the opposite side? What is this? Okay, I have this as 3. When I say this is 3, the angle of it, the opposite side is 60. Yes, you can ask sine law. You can even use sine law. Okay, you can use sine law also, but still not needed. I want to find what is the opposite side. So angle will have is 1. Okay, it's like this. Okay, I'm sorry. You're finding it for the bigger side, right? So you're finding it for the 60 degree bigger side, and this is gonna be 3. If this is 3, what is this side? So this is 3, and what is this? This is a question mark. Okay, this is a question mark. I want to find the bigger side, opposite of 60. Okay, opposite of 60. So what is tan 60? What is tan 60? Tan. What is the formula of tan? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. So what is opposite side? Opposite side is given. The value is given. 3. This is opposite. This is hypotenuse. This is adjacent. I hope you remember the sides. Okay. So I'm making with this. I want to find this. So I have this value between 90 to 60 degree. It is 3. What is on the hypotenuse? Okay. Next one, a simple logic. Whenever they ask this should be the value if this is 3. Okay, if it is not a square number, it's just a 3, and this side will be always lengthier than this, and for sure this mostly will be in decimals only. Okay, this is root 3. Okay, done. Yes, so how do we get that? So I'm finding on this side, since this value is already given. So what is 3? Tan's opposite this side is 30. That is angle 30 is opposite is 3 is given. So tan 30 is 0, 1 by 2, and below it is okay, I think 1 by root 3. Okay, so this is given as 3. I don't know this side. Since I know this angle is 30 and this is 3, I'm just taking it as 1 by root 3, cross multiplying it. So that is 30 root 3, that is equal to A. It's better. I hope you would not get so complicated. So please do not come up with this. It might not help you. Okay, done. Shall we go with the next one?
Yes, sir, please.
Okay, fine. Find the sum of the cubes. I don't know. You have geometry question. That is why I've given you with this. In case they ask, you need not to go with the formulas or anything. Just understand it should be more than 3 and it should be in decimals. This understanding is enough. Okay. If the numbers are already given in squares, then the other side will also be a square. This is a simple logic. Okay. Find the sum of the cubes of first 50 natural numbers. I hope I made you to write for the first 10, if I'm not wrong. So 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, and okay, that's good. 125 on all these cube numbers. Okay, always have these values. If you can remember it, it's better. So 216, 512, 7, 512, in between 343, 343, 512, 729, and 1000, and 1331 goes on. Okay, fine. If that's the answer, that's fine. Good. Okay, next one. Let's get into percentage. This you would be using with cube numbers, right? I think with GP, so we call it as geometric propagation. Okay, formula I'll just get you because you used to do what with the options. I'll just get you the formula. Okay, fine. Okay, next one. I'm just giving you a percentage question. Yes, there are shortcuts. I'll just tell you the shortcut. I'll just give you one question and then I'll give you the shortcut for that. Okay, fine. Can you see the question? A trader buys.
Sir, 14400. Answer number 2.
Good. But let's check it. A trader buys some goods of rupees 150 if the overhead expense is 12% of the cost price. So 12% means this is 15 and 1% is this is 3, it's 18. Okay, so what then at what price should it be sold to earn 10% profit? So this should be 150 plus 18. So 150 plus 18, so 168. So then it's given then at what price should it be sold to earn 40? If it is an overhead expense of 12%, that means I'm adding the expense. Okay, and then making 10% of it. 10% of is 16.8. Yes, so it is 0.8 and this is 14 and 6, 7, 8. Yes, 184.81. Yes, correct. Almost 80. I'm sorry, 80. Great. Okay, 150 is 12% means divided by 10, that is 15. Again, divide the 15 by 100, that is 1.5. So I want 2%. See, this one I will break it as 10 plus 2. So 10% means 15, 2% means 3. So 10% plus 2% is 18. That's the expense. So 150 plus 18 is 168. The new cost price is 168. With this, is making 10% profit. So that is 184.80. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, so the shortcut for this previous question in formula basis. So n square, this is for cube. This is for cube. So n is nothing but 15. So 15 square means 225 multiplied by n plus 1. So that is 15 plus 1, 16 square. 16 square is 256. So whole divided by 4. Okay. So 4 for one time. And this would be 6 and for 64. So 225 multiplied by 64. So what I will do, I'll multiply into 8 and multiply into 8. That would be easy for you. I can split it and multiply it. Just check with this. Are you getting 14400? So n square, bracket of n plus 1, the whole square divided by 4. Yes, it works. So I'll give it for square numbers also. Square number, I think already you have a logic. So that is n into n plus 1 plus, okay, I'll just put it over there. N into for square. This is for cube and for square. I'm giving you for square also. N into n plus 1 plus 2n plus 1, 2n plus 1. So whole divided by 6. Whole divided by 6. Okay, for cube numbers, it is n square bracket of n plus 1 the whole square divided by 4. And for square number, it is n into n plus 1, again bracket of n plus 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6. Got it right? Did you get it? Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Shall we go with the next one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question. Okay, I think these questions we have done in the class. I'll just give you the question. Gopal brought, okay. Gopal brought a cell phone and sold it to Ram. At 10% profit. Ram went to sell it back to Gopal at 10% loss. What is Gopal's percentage? Answer is 2. Okay, good. Very good. So Gopal to Ram, 10% profit. So he got it for 110. Ram to Gopal with 10% loss, that is minus 11.99. So he brought it for 100, gave it for 110. From 110, he gave it for 99. So overall percentage would be a loss. So what if Gopal's position? See, they are not asking Ram's position. So Gopal's position. What will be Gopal's position if he agreed? Gopal brought a cell phone, sold it to Ram at 10% profit. Then Ram wanted to sell it back to Gopal with 10% loss. Yeah, on Gopal's point of view, it is 1% gain. Okay, overall percentage is 1% loss. What will be Gopal's position if he agreed? So Gopal's position will be 1% gain. On overall, he got it for 100, he's buying back. Now let us say Gopal got it. Now next one to understand. Gopal got it for 100. Gopal gave it for 110. Already he got 10 profit. Did he get? Next, this person is selling back to him with 99. Okay, out of, now he sold back and he got 110. Okay, so from that 110, so he is making how many? In case of, they're talking about the value, then 110 is the money Gopal right now have it. Is it yes or no? See, Gopal brought it for 100. He's getting an additional 10 rupees. So this is his expense. It's gone. So Gopal gave 100 and he's buying it back. So he got back his 100 rupees and 10 rupees more with him. So now Ram got it for 110. Okay, already he's having 10 more. Okay, now if it goes over this in money case, in case they ask for the money basis. So when you're selling it back, he's selling it for 99. What happens? He is having already 10 rupees more with him. So if it is like he's having 110 rupees with him and he is giving that, in that he's giving only 99 back to him. That means how many rupees he is having it back with him? This time 1 more rupee extra. Are you getting that? So that becomes 11 rupees. Are you getting it? So on the percentage basis, talking about he got it for 100, he's getting back for 99. Yes, it's a gain of 1%. That's different. In case they ask on the cost basis. In case they ask on the cost basis, are you getting the answer? Are you able to understand? In case they ask on the cost basis, now Gopal is having 110. That means 10 more. And Ram has given that 110. Okay. Now Gopal is giving back him 99. That means remaining 11 is with him. Then Ram is meeting under loss, 11 with him. Okay, this is based on the cost, in case the question goes on based on the cost. I hope you're clear with that. I hope you're clear, yes or no?
So kind of.
Kind of, okay. See, I'm just clearing that. I hope you remember the question. Where is Gopal? There is Ram. Okay, next to Ram, again to Gopal. Gopal is buying from somebody for 100. He got it. So that means expenditure for him. Now he's selling it to Ram with 110. That means 10 profit. Okay, 10 more. Yeah, correct. But this is based on what is in the point of view of Gopal, not in the point of view of Ram Induli. It's on the point of view of Gopal. Okay, so Ram is again giving back to Gopal with 99. So how many rupees is Ram having in his hand now with the profit? Ram is having 110. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, Ram had 110 rupees with him. He gave it to Gopal. Now Gopal is having 110. Ram is having 0. Now Gopal is giving back him 99 and he is getting the product. Then how much is Gopal saving? He is saving 11. Understood?
Yes,
this is based on the
sir.
cost. While talking on the percentage, what is the gain happening over here? Gopal gave it with 10% profit to Ram. It's done. So when Ram selling it to Gopal, 10% loss. So that means for 99. So he got it for 100. Now he's again getting back it for 99. In that case, in Gopal's point of view, he makes a profit of 1%. He got it for 100. Now he's getting for 99. In that case, he's making a 1% gain. This is point of view of Gopal, not on the point of view of Ram. Gopal's point of view, 1 profit. Are you clear with that?
Yes, sir. Now clear.
Okay, now the next question. I'm just clearing the board. Is that okay? None. So there's
Yes,
the next
sir.
question. A shopkeeper marked 15% exists on an article. Due to increase in demand, he reduces the price by 10% of price. He will get what? The shopkeeper marked 15% excess of an article. That means more. Okay, mark price is 115. So due to decrease in demand, he reduces the price by 10%. Okay, that means 11.5. He's reducing it to by 11.5. So 0.5, and this is for 4. It makes it 3. So 3.5. Still, he will get how much profit?
3.5%.
So he made an excess. He got it for 100. He made it for 115. Now selling it for, reducing it by 3.5, and he's selling it. Okay. Due to decrease in demand, he reduces the price by 10% of the price. In the price, he reduces 10% in the price. So 115 minus 3.5. So the new price would be 111.5. Is that correct? Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So divided by 100. So he is making He already got it for 100. He's fixing 15 more. So the new price is 115. So with that, he is giving out 3.5 less. He's selling it for less. Then in that case, he's just selling it now for 111.5. Okay, so 115 minus 3.5, 115 minus 11.5. So yeah, I just made, yeah. So 11.5, I'm reducing it. So he's making 103. So still he is having a gain of 3.5, not loss, gain of 3.5. Overall gain. Okay, again, I'm repeating it. Shopkeeper got it for 100. He fixed at 115. Now reducing 10%. I'm sorry, I just made percentage error. So it is 10% is 11. Okay, I'll just remove these values. So he got it for 100. He sold it for, he made the fixed market price as 115, but he's giving 10% discount. So that makes 11.5 discount. So the new price is 103.5. Okay. Now overall, is it a profit or loss?
It's profit, sir.
That's all done. Okay, so most of you have given loss. No, it is profit. The reason, shopkeeper marked 15% more. So he got it for 100. He made it at 115 mark price. I hope you remember what is called mark price. The labeling. Okay, so we don't know the exact price. So he is very sure he has made 15% profit. So we are taking it as 115. Reduced it by 11.5. So that it is 103.5. And the next one is, when it is 103.5, then overall he is making a profit of 3.5. Is that clear? Can we go with the next one?
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm giving you a, I'll just get into a new type in spite of giving you the same thing. You have a lot of percentage questions, so you have to work on lot. Okay, two numbers are respectively 20% and 50% more than the third number. Okay, so in that case, yeah, you have it in your YouTube also, Leslie. Okay, so he's getting 20% and 50% more than the third number. What is the percentage of second one with the respect of the first? Okay, so two numbers are respectively 20 and 50 more than the third one. That means this is 120, this is 150, and the third one is 100. Okay, 20%, 50% more. What is the percentage of second with the respect of first? What is the percentage of second with respect of first? Is it more or less? Is it more or less?
More.
More. How much it is more? That's all. Second with respect of first. Yeah, 30 more. So what is the base value? Difference between them is 30. What is the base value?
270.
120.
Yeah, with respect of first, so 120. So times 100. So overall, what is the percentage increment? It is 25% of increment. Okay. So what is the percentage of increment? It is 125. It is a 25% of increment. Are you getting it? If I have it of why is that the question given like this and the answer is this as what is the percentage of second one? Second one percentage is 120. Sorry, 150 with the respect of the first one means divided by 120 times 100. So when I do it in this way, I'm going to get it as this as 5 and 4, that is 1.25 or 125. That is why the question is given like this. If they ask how much it is more, just 25 more. Since they are asking what is the percentage of second one with the respect of first, so it is 125%. Are you clear with that? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Shall we go on with the next one?
Yeah.
Okay, so related to HCF LCM, let's see, are you able to get it? Easy one. See, questions are easy. Just only, it is an algebra mixed. I think at the beginning, somebody of before 2-3 classes, you asked about algebra, but still now, yeah, we'll just have a touch of it. Okay, 2A, 5A, 7A. Then what will be their LCM?
Seventy.
Okay. What will be the LCM? So I have A everywhere. Yes. 2A is also having A. 5A is also having A. 7A is also having A.
78, sir.
Yes. So A is common. I'll have it. Now, is it 5, 2, and 7 are common? 2 times 5 times 7. So that is 70. A common everywhere. So I'm just taking a single A. Understood, right? If it is 4A, 2A, 7A, what will be the answer? If it is 4A, 2A, 7A, what will be the answer?
56, sir.
56.
No. No. It will not be 56. Sure.
Sir, 28A.
Yes, exactly. It is
So
28.
28A.
Yeah, because these both are factors, right? So it is going to be only 28. So 4 times 7, that's all. Because when I take LCM for 4 and 2, if I take LCM, so then the LCM would be 4 only, right? 2 times 1 and 2. So in that case, I'm just going to take this 4 alone. So 4 times 7 times 8. So 28A. Got it right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one. Find the HCF of the fractions. Can you see the question? When you say find the HCF of fraction, what you do? On the numerator, HCF, on the denominator will be LCM. Understood, right? HCF of fractions. This is what is for HCF of fraction.
So the answer is 1/20.
Yeah. So 1/2, 3/4, 4/5. So HCF of the numerator is 1, denominator is 20. So this is what is the HCF of a fraction. Got it, right? Did you get it? Okay, now let's take the same question for find the LCM of this fraction. Okay, I'll just put it down. I'm just scrolling it below. Same question. In spite of HCF, take it as LCM. LCM of fraction. In that case, numerator, yeah, in that case, numerator is what? Numerator is LCM and the denominator is HCF. So the LCM of the numerator is
12.
12.
12 upon 1.
2.
2, 4, 5. HCF is 1 only.
So
One. Yes, yes, one.
yeah.
1,
Yeah.
1. So 12 upon 1. So the option, we can have this option either 12 or this as 12/20. Okay. So when I say find the LCM, so numerator LCM, denominator HCF. Okay. So the same case, when I say HCF, numerator HCF, denominator LCM. Got it, right? Numerator HCF, denominator LCM. When they give the fraction value and ask you to find the HCF, numerator is LCM, denominator is HCF. When they ask you to find what is the LCM of the fraction value. So it is 12/1. Are you clear with that? Good. Janimia, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
How is one?
Okay.
Say,
I'm sorry. Yeah.
repeat. HCF, how is one?
How HCF is 1?
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
yeah, yeah.
How HCF is
Repeat.
1 means 1, 3, 4. What is a common factor among them? 3 is a unique number, 4 is a unique number. I don't have any continuity of these numbers. So 1, 3, 4, there is no common numbers, so that the only common factor will be 1. That's all. If I have it as 2, 4, the factor is 2. If I have 12, 8, the factor is 4. So 1, 3, 4, the common factor is only 1. What is the factor of 1? 1. What is the factor of 3? 1 and 3. What is the factor of 4? 1 and 4. So what is the common among them? 1 is the common among them. Got it?
Good, good.
So 2,
Thank
4,
you.
5. Yeah. So 2, 4, 5. I have 1 and 2. There is no common denominator. 1 and 4. There is nothing. 1 and 5. So altogether, only common number is 1 in every way. So that the HCF is 1. If I have some other number, then I could have taken it. Okay. I'm just giving you one average question. Are you clear with the HCF LCM? Can you see the question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The average of 9 numbers is 50. The average of first 5 numbers is 54. Last 3 numbers is 52. What is the average of the, or what is the 6th number? Did you do it? So average of 9 numbers is 50. Then what is
Please
the
hold
total?
on, sir.
Okay. Good, let's check it. Good, Anthony. Shall I do the answer? Have you tried? Anybody still doing?
Sir.
24. Okay. So first step to do it is there are 9 numbers of average. So 9 times 50, 45, 450. Average of first 5 numbers is 54. That means 54 times 5. Okay, 54 times 5 because it's only average, not the total. Plus, and the last 3 number is 52, not the average. Last 3 number is 52. And what is X? So 5, 4, 20, 25, 26, 27 plus 52 plus X. That's equal to 450. Okay, so it is 2, 12, 3, 322 minus 400. And because the last one is not given the average. The average of the first 5 number is 54 and that of the last 3, okay, that's also average, that's fine. So the average of the first 5 numbers is 54 and that of the last 3 numbers is 52. So yes, times 3. So that is of 6, okay, times 3. So this is 6. If it is given as sum, then I'll take directly as 52. Okay, so this is 156. So 276, 2, and then 1. Yeah, so 2, 3, 4. So minus 450. Yeah. Okay, so you'll have a term called in case if they have given us sum, then you cannot multiply this into 3. You have to take it as it is, since it is given as that of the last. So that of the last, so that we are taking this also as the average. In spite it is given that of the last sum. If the word sum is given, then you cannot multiply into 3. Got it right? Shall I give the next one?
Okay, sir.
Okay. I'm just giving you one question on simple interest, compound interest for the revision. I hope you remember simple interest, compound interest. A sum of simple interest is 13.5% per annum. This is for 4 years. So here all you need only your calculation speed. 13.5 times 3 3080 times 4 by 100. So this I can write it as 135 by 10. So that will also become 100 times 308 times 4. Okay. It was a 32. 3, 4 into 3, 12 times 135. So we'll take it as 100 plus 35 times 1232. Okay, so divided by 100. Answer is 2 or 3. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's find the sum. Okay. Let's just have it with this. It's 13.5% per annum, simple interest. That amount per annum amount to 3080 for 4 years. So 3080 for 4 years. That means 3080 divided by 4 and divided by 13.5. Okay, 100. So this is the sum of at simple interest of 13.5 per annum amount to 3080 in 4 years. Okay, so we have to find the sum. The amount, it is amounted to be 3080. Just check your answer, check mine too. Whatever, when I have erased it, just give a try. Just check it. I don't want you to take the answers as it is. So that 3080 is equal to, yeah. So 3080 is equal to what amount? It is given that the amount has become 3080. That is included with what? So leave the question paper options. Please do not follow with that randomly. If you're doing that, you have to get the answer. Okay, sometimes, yes, question papers could be wrong. There can be mistakes. It's not that always it's correct. Got it right? There can be ups and downs in the questions and options, whatever is given. So 3080 is what amount? Do not randomly take with the options or with the answer keys.
Option 3.
Okay, how do you get option 3?
I use the simple interest formula.
Okay,
and
substitute.
put-
Okay, tell me, how do you take the value?
I substituted all the options since they're given to us, so I used all of them and then found the answer.
Okay, where did you
Starting
substitute?
from, then when I
Okay, you
got to
went like
2000,
this. Okay, so let's take 1550 times 13.5 times 4 divided by 100, like this.
yes.
Okay, fine. That's fine. Any
Then
other way?
when I got to 2000,
Okay,
I got 1080, and then you take 2000 plus 1080 and you get 3080.
okay, taking it for 4 years. The amount would not be
Yes,
direct.
sir, it's option 3.
Okay, done. Okay,
Sir,
420. Yes,
I have a question. Okay,
yes, please.
let's say for this one, I got 1080.
Okay,
So when we're finding the final amount, so we just take 2000 plus the interest.
yeah. So here the amount is given.
we-
The sum of the interest is 13.5% per annum, a sum. Okay, a sum is at the interest 13.5% per annum. Amount is 3080 in 4 years. That means in 4 years the money has become 3080.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes.
So we don't add 1080 every 4 years.
For
Every
4
year.
years together, no, 4 years together it is 1080. I multiplied into 4, right?
So per year, then you divide it by 4.
Exactly, correct. So for a year, I will divide it by 4. So
Okay,
this
then
one
it will-
is the amount has become, so it is 2000 plus 1080.
Okay.
Okay, that's fine. So finding the sum is 2000. So that I'm adding with the principal amount so that I get 3080.
It's clear. Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, done. That's fine. Okay, I think there are some more questions in case we are meeting up with the next class. Whatever the left out topics to touch, we'll just have a revision on it. Okay. Is that fine?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any other doubts? Any other questions?
None.
Okay, that's great. Okay, have a great day and let's catch up soon.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, very
Bye.
much.
Have a
Okay, sir.
great
Thank
day.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Abdi.